31 grams of protein, no added sugar, no ice cream machine, and no protein powder anywhere near it. This is the cottage cheese ice cream, and I know exactly what you're thinking because I thought it too. Cottage cheese in ice cream? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you're going to have the creamiest, most filling desserts in your freezer made from 4 real ingredients. And it starts here with the cottage cheese I made at home. This is the whole reason this recipe works. Homemade cottage cheese is packed with protein and you know exactly what went into it. No stabilizers, no gums, no fillers. If you are using store-bought, that's absolutely fine. First, the almonds. Roasted almonds straight into the blender. Now here's the important part. Pulse just a couple of times. We want chunks, not powder. If you blitz these into dust, you lose every bit of crunch. And crunch is what makes this feel like a real dessert instead of health food. Take those out and set them aside. They come back at the very end. Now the cottage cheese goes into the food processor, and this is the step that decides everything. Blend it until it's completely smooth, silky like a thick paste. Give it a minute, maybe a little more. Scrape the sides down and keep going because any curds that survives the blender becomes an icy crystal in your freezer. Smooth base, creamy ice cream, grainy base, icy disappointment. So don't rush this one. Next, unsweetened almond butter and monk fruit sweetener. The almond butter is not just the flavor, it's the fat, and fat is what an ice cream machine would normally do for you. It's what keeps this scoopable. Monk fruit sweetens it with no sugar added at all. Prefer honey? Go ahead. It works beautifully. Just know you are adding sugar back in, so it's no longer a no sugar added if you add honey. Taste it now. Freezing dull sweet, so make it slightly sweeter than feels right. Pulse until the almond butter and cottage cheese comes together completely. And if you are enjoying this one, hit subscribe. I share a new high protein real ingredients recipe every single week and I would love to hear from you. And now the almonds come back. Just a couple of pulses, enough to spread them through, not enough to break them down. This looks so tempting even without freezing. Check out the creaminess right now. It is just like an ice cream. Into a container, level it off and into the freezer for a couple of hours. Now honestly, mine came out rock solid in just few hours. So don't try to scoop it straight from the freezer. You will fight it. Let it sit for about 5 minutes first. It softens right back into that creamy scoopable texture. And there it is. Scoop it into a chilled glass, scatter over some roasted almonds and finish with a drizzle of almond butter. 15 grams of protein in this serving. 4 ingredients, no added sugar, no machine, no powder. It's a dessert that actually keeps you full, which is the whole point. If you make this, tell me in the comments how it turned out. I read every single one. And if you want more real ingredients, high protein recipes like this, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.